Karnataka just made a 1000 crore bet on the future, and it's quantum. This is not just another state tech policy. This is actually the blueprint to make Karnataka the quantum capital of Asia. This is Front Page. Let's take a quantum leap into this. At the Quantum India Summit 2025 in Bengaluru, Karnataka unveiled its most ambitious tech vision yet. A vision to build a $20 billion quantum economy by 2035. At the heart of it, Q-City, India's first fully integrated hub for quantum innovation, hardware, research, and talent. Coming up just outside Bengaluru, CM Siddaramaiah didn't mince his words. He went on to say, "We are not competing with other states. We are competing globally." And just like Bengaluru became the IT capital in the 90s, he wants it to now lead the quantum revolution. The mission has 5 strategic pillars: talent, R&D, infrastructure, industry, global collaboration. A quantum technology task force to steer policies, a quantum VC fund to back 100 plus startups and file 100 plus patents. And over 2 lakh direct jobs are expected to be created with this. Karnataka already has momentum. The Quantum Research Park at IISc supports 55 plus projects and 13 startups. And India's first commercially deployable quantum computer wasn't built in California or Tokyo. It was actually built right here with a lot of pride in Namma, Bengaluru. Now the state is doubling down. A quantum hardware park, a quantum chip fabrication facility, and 4 new innovation zones. All are expected by year end. But in all honesty, Karnataka's quantum sprint comes right after Andhra Pradesh took the lead. Well, if you missed our earlier episode, Andhra became the first Indian state to deploy a homegrown quantum computer in Amaravati, built by Bengaluru's own QPi AI. So what makes Karnataka's plan different? While Andhra Pradesh focused on governance and grassroots deployments, Karnataka is building the infrastructure stack: Fab Labs, HPC clusters, VC ecosystems, and now even quantum curriculum in Kannada under its Stream Labs program. It's actually no longer state versus state. This is India's internal quantum race, and both Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are firing on all cylinders. At the summit, Karnataka also announced 2 major MOUs. One to launch an 8-qubit learning system at IIIT Dharwad, and another with L&T to set up India's first quantum cloud as a service, QCAS, infrastructure, powered by QPi AI's 64-qubit Kaveri system. Finance, healthcare, logistics, all enterprise sectors are in sight. Karnataka's bet is bold. The goal is quite clear: 10,000 quantum engineers, 100 startups, 100 patents, and a shot at owning 20% of the global quantum market share. The quantum future is not theoretical anymore. It's actually being designed right here in India. And if you are interested in AI, tech, and the quantum future, well, the place you need to be to explore all of that and more is Cypher 2025. Yes, it kicks off on the 17th of September till the 19th of September at KTPO, Whitefield, Bengaluru. It is India's biggest AI summit and expo. This is Front Page by AIM TV, but you already knew that. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think quantum, think Q-City, think AIM.